What's up, fellow traders? So today the market did, in my eyes, what it was supposed to do. We can't just bust through this 50-day. We have to make our way through it. I'm going to grab this camera tonight and I'm going to go over all these key resistance levels that we've busted through. And I'm going to show you what happened today. So here we go. This is the S&P right here, and you know I've referred to this 50-day quite a bit up here. So I'm going to draw our downtrend line. Now this is our major downtrend. Okay, this is our line. I mean, like if you look right on the end there, what happened today? See, yesterday we closed above it. Okay, today we went and touched the 50-day and closed right on it. Okay, so that's what's going on right there. Right here is our closing low after we rebounded on our follow through day. And see that's where we hit today too. So that's kind of like our double nut that we're trying to bust through. But look at, we've already cleared our downtrend line. Okay, so if we break down tomorrow, you know, if it's on light volume, I'm not going to be too worried, but I want to see a breakthrough and end the week above the 50-day. Look at the volume didn't really jump today higher than yesterday, and this is some insane volume there. I mean, if you look over, you know, this is a 1-year chart. I mean, you're only talking 1-2 days above yesterday's volume. And watch out when I tell you how important that was. Look at that, was the candlestick that broke the downtrend. The most volume over the whole year was yesterday, and we broke the downtrend. That's pretty huge. I'm gonna close this out by showing you what I think's gonna happen here and what has already occurred. Okay, so here's our first crash up here where we last touched the 50. This is our first downtrend broken. See that? Downtrend broken, successful test. We're off and running. Okay, now let's go from here, the 50-day, to where we hit the 50-day right there. This is the one we were following. Remember, we said that was it. We've moved up ever since. So now we've broken that, tested, and now we're off and running on that. Okay, and now for the big doggy. And you can see the bottom of that candlestick right there, and look at that, it's right on it, right off the tip top of the very top upper wick there, where it broke through the 50, then where it hit the 50. And look at that, see all that red candlesticks above it, because we closed on it. We're still above it. I mean, that's huge right there. 1, 2, and now 3. Okay, this should carry up and come back down and hit this. So that's where this comes in. The low in November. See how we were basing? Again, I'm going to bring this up. That's where my 875 comes into play. Okay, I am getting a little greedy right now. I'm trying to maximize my gains on this last chunk of my SSO, and I have that little chunk of Microsoft. That's more of a, you know, Microsoft's really, I'm not looking for it to move too fast. I just picked that up just to ride it up. But right here, this is where I'm going to make a big trade. I'm going to just go all cash at once, and then when we come back down and hit the 50-day or this down trend line, that's where I'll pick up a huge position. So that's what I'm looking for right there. We need a strong close this week. I know tomorrow's going to be crazy on this expiration day, but that's it. One more line I want to draw. The low in October. See what I'm saying? Look at this big baseline it made. Let me do this real quick before I close this out here. So I didn't shed nothing today. I stood my ground. I mean, how could we at least not come touch this right here? Okay? But still, that's what I'm going for right there. And the longer it bases, because we did the shake, like it can base at this like 800, and then that's when we'll get to the 900. See? So the longer we base, the longer out this line is. Okay? We're definitely not done with the run. This yesterday, breaking through that downtrend like I showed you on that strong volume, that was key. So we should definitely have an update tomorrow on Friday and the week out strong. And basically the shorts will be squirming over the weekend. We need an update tomorrow. We can't fall back below that downtrend line. If we do, it has to be light volume, and there's no way tomorrow's going to be light volume. Good luck.